In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to key out a green screen in Photoshop. This technique is essential for anyone who wants to replace backgrounds or create a more polished appearance in their images. So, let's dive right into it. To start, open Adobe Photoshop and import the image that you want to work with. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top left and selecting Open. This will allow you to browse and select the image file from your computer. Once your image is loaded, make sure it's the right one and visibly clear on your canvas. Now you'll want to focus your attention on the top menu bar, where you'll find the Select tab. Click on Select, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Color Range. This feature enables you to isolate specific colors in your image, which is perfect for targeting the green in your green screen. In the color range window that appears, you'll notice a preview of your selection. Here, you need to pick the color you want to key out. In this case, that's the green. Use the eyedropper tool and simply click on any green area of your image. Once you do this, you'll see that Photoshop highlights similar shades across the canvas. However, the first click may not capture all the green hues, especially if there are variations in lighting or material. To include more of the green background, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. You'll see a plus sign appear next to your eyedropper tool, allowing you to keep adding to your selection. Click on other green areas until the majority of the background is captured in the selected preview. After capturing as much green as possible using the color range tool, click OK to finish your selection. You will see marching ants around the selected areas, indicating the active selection. With these areas selected, you can now refine the selection process by using the background eraser tool. This tool provides a bit more control and ensures that edges are cleaned up, offering a seamless finish. Select the background eraser tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Once it's active, carefully go over any green edges or stray areas that might still be visible. Adjust your tolerance settings in the options bar at the top to make the tool as effective as possible based on how strong or subtle the green is. And there you have it. You've successfully keyed out the green screen in Photoshop, unlocking a new world of possibilities for your image editing projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.